Hello to Pure Maths with Arjan, and today I will show you how to find the distance between 2 points in a coordinate system or the length of the line. Let's suppose that I have the line AB. The coordinates of A from the graph are 3, -1, and the coordinates of B are 7, 2. To find the length of AB, I use Pythagoras. You will see that right angle triangle, where the vertical component is 2 minus 1, which is equal to 3 units, and the horizontal components, which is 7 minus 3, which is 4, and you can see that it's 4 units there. The length of AB is equal to square root of 3 square plus 4 square. So the length AB is equal to square root of 25, and the length of AB is equal to just 5. Now, in general case, when we have 2 points, A and B, x1, y1, and point B, x2, y2, the distance AB is equal to square root of y2 minus y1 square plus x2 minus x1 square. And that is the distance between 2 points, or the length of the line. Now let's take an example. The length of the line L, we know from the formula that is being given by y2 minus y1 square plus x2 minus x1 square. So this is the y2 and that's the y1. So the length of the line L by minus 9 minus 5 square plus the x values, that's the x2, that's the x1, by 4 minus 2 square. So the length line L is equal to square root minus 9 plus 5, it's minus 4 square plus 2 square is 16 plus 2, which is equal to square root of 20, and that's a third. The length L is 2 root 5 units. The length for the formula for the line is not being given on the exam, so please learn it. Let's get another example. Calculate the distance between those 2 points. The distance D is equal to square root y2 minus y1 square plus x2 minus x1 square. And that's equal to square root, substitute into the formula, minus 6 minus 7 square plus 2 minus 5 square. And that's equal to square root of minus 13 square plus 7 square equals, that will be square root of 218, and that's equal 14.8 units to 1 decimal place. Thank you. I hope you enjoyed it, so please stay tuned for the next video.